If Jessica had known 8 years ago what she knows today, she would have never walked into that tattoo parlor. Like 1 in 4 Americans with tattoos today, Jessica has tattoo regret. So, she decided to give laser tattoo removal a try. Even after 15 treatments, she only saw some fading, not the clean start she was looking for. Like 5 in 6 Americans with tattoo regret who still seek out better options for tattoo removal, Jessica didn't give up. Instead, she found herself at a different doctor's office who introduced her to a new breakthrough technology called Enlighten. Enlighten is the world's first and only laser system with picosecond plus nanosecond pulse durations plus dual wavelength. Now, with class-leading specs and customization options, patients like Jessica can enjoy the best in laser tattoo removal, like 40% fewer treatments compared to traditional laser tattoo removal. More options to effectively treat all ink colors, including today's most common ink colors, and recommended for all skin types. With the power, speed, and depth of the Enlighten laser tattoo removal system, Jessica and thousands more like her don't have to live with yesteryear's mistakes. Give your patients the confidence of a clean start with the best in laser tattoo removal technology. For more information about Enlighten's trade-up options, visit Cutera.com/trade-for-fade to plan a complimentary consultation.